Gamers, welcome back. We have another game with another new captain from Once Upon a Galaxy. We have Elec-Drake. I have never played this character, and I've been playing this game for several hours. So Elec-Drake, your treasure buffs are improved by +1/+1. This is good for us. Do you know why this is good for us? Because in the starter deck, I've already seemed to have locked a few cards. I think this is from playing as other characters, because I don't ever remember playing this character. But I have a freaking Burninator. I have a Trogdor in this deck. Trogdor, when you find a treasure, keep all three of them. So we're going to be getting some massive treasure buffs if we can get ourselves the freaking Trogdor. And if you don't know Trogdor, you're doing yourself a disservice. Go watch Homestar Runner on the internet. It's freaking amazing. But I can't believe this card's in the game, and I really want to get it. But let's see if we can get a win here. Elec-Drake, the Auto Battler on Steam. Once Upon a Galaxy. This game is insane. A lot of fun. I think early on we're just going to grab stats, right? Bruh. I definitely don't want an egg right now. I'm just going to do like this. The most stats I could get was 2-3. Okay, we'll grab the villain, I guess. I didn't really see the situation here. I like Flying Monkey in the first slot. Hit the back line. Easy peasy. That dude just got friggin' smoked. Kid Icarus. That's a pretty big unit, man. 6'4" for... Oh, I guess he's uncommon. We'll take him. Oh, I kind of want an Ahab too. I'm gonna just get the silver to get a new shop, I think. Ahab is good though. If I can get a hit on it. Bruh. I never get hits on it either, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah. We're not gonna get a hit on this, unfortunately. I deserve that. Okay, we're friggin' done with you, I think. We're going Tink. Ooh. I mean, I'm getting greedy here. I think I'm gonna save for the next pick. Now we're getting fucked. We need to freaking turn the tides here. This is good to get. We'll take a ranged up front here. I like a range on the left side here. The fire-breathing dragon on this left side is nice. Got. What do we want here? Stats, probably? I don't have any fucking treasures. It's actually insane. I haven't been getting enough the same unit. I'm just gonna go stats. I want to survive here. Blows that he fucking got that hunt off. We got ours though. Thank you, Ahab. Your first character has farewell +6/+6. That could be good for us. I'm gonna get that. Then we just want big units, right? Oh man. I'm going to get the punks. I like the idea of getting +1/+1 though. So what I'm gonna do is do this. I'm kind of glad I did that. Discover a common treasure. I actually might do that over silvering this. Because our treasure buffs give an additional +1/+1. Let's try it. Oh yeah. +3/+3 on the slots, we'll take it. Should have been looking for that earlier, honestly. Okay, we got a little punks, he's got a big punks. Fuck, that is not good. Okay. $16-16. Or a scar, man. I think I just want stats, bro. Let's do like this. Get the punks a little bigger. If we ooh. Okay, okay. We're getting this. This card wins you games. I'm fairly confident. Let's go like this. Oh, the fact that he lived with 1 health there is actually good for us. Okay, we're not big enough yet. We need to get bigger fast. But he went from 2-2 to 16-16 in 1 round, so you see where that could get really good. Okay, we're gonna swap out. Punks didn't do fuck all, did he? But I want to keep him. He can be good. I'm gonna go Jasmine Drake back here. Or Dragon. Jasmine Dragon. Oof. We need to survive. Please survive. That's a good hit. That's a good hit. I wish I would have killed him. That's a good hit. Okay, we're good. We might be changing the tides here. When you golden me, keep an extra treasure. I like that, but I'd just rather silver you. We'll silver it. Get a free shop. Oh, I could have friggin' just bought the... I'm an idiot. I could have just grabbed that Tin Man. But this is what we wanted. This is a Burninator. And honestly, I think Punks is good. I think we're done with Punks. We grabbed the Burninator. We grab a silver. Transform a character into a random bronze character of your shop's rarity. Yeah, we do that right here. That's a Kraken, huh? And we get the hunt off, bro? We'll leave it like this for now. That's unfortunate. Frankenstein's getting massive, though. I think we're fine. We want treasures now that we have our boy, though. Stroke of Midnight late game, I always say it every time, is a win. We just take it. Now we need to take some dudes. I'll take this guy. Run it again. Oh, he's freaking massive. Oh my goodness, dude. We friggin' won because of the Frankenstein. Okay. Silvering a unit's good. We want treasures. Yeah, we'll silver a unit. Bruh. I say we put this on the Trogdor. Get some dragons. There we go. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Scalinator. I have +6/+6 for each dragon. I like the upside on the Kraken, so I'm gonna get rid of you. Just more stats, right? Honestly, I'd say we do this now. We want to see if we can get a quick kill on this guy. He needs to hit this guy, though. It doesn't matter. The Frankenstein's too big. Here we go. Trogdor in action. All three. Look at this. What a beautiful card. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's beautiful, baby. Sure, I'll just grab one randomly. Dude, Mike is friggin' huge, bro. Oh, his slots are friggin' buffed. Holy hell. Okay, this is not good. We might actually not be able to recover here. Mike is too freaking big. Okay, here we go. Oh man, I really want to use the True Love's Kiss, but I want Trogdor to friggin' just save us here. Here we go. So we got all three of these. We get the bronze buff. We get all slots +16/+16. We get, oh, if we can survive, man. We just need to survive. Oh, another one. Do we take the Stroke of Midnight, though? Dude, the choices here. The Stroke of Midnight might just save us. You know what? We're risking it for the biscuit. We're taking 3 more treasures. I don't think I had any pirates. I did not. Your buffs from spells +8/+8. Your fail abilities are also huntable. I don't have any. That was a terrible one. That was a mistake. Okay. I think we want to do this now. I want the Kraken to hit, man. Yes. The Kraken finally hit, bro. And the Scalinator's gonna hit. Oh, we're gonna keep all 3 of these. Oh my goodness, this might save us. Trogdor might actually win us the game here. So what is this? 5 characters, you get a bonus shop. Okay. Your heroes and villains have hunt. Okay. Farewell. Your characters have farewell. Give a character with less attack +7/+7. Didn't I have something that was like... Yeah, and my farewell abilities are hunt abilities. Oh my goodness. There we go. Another treasure. Keep all 3. We got double your captain's abilities. So our buffs are going to be doubled. We get +7/+7 on all characters. And we get... Give the rest of your team +4/+4. Oh my goodness, man. This is going off. Can I get another one? Ah, damn. It's greedy. A little greedy. You know what's friggin' stupid greedy? Is doing this. Just to get more treasures. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. More treasures, please. Is this a pirate? This is a pirate. Okay. Let's see if that cost us. Let's see if a ranged in this slot would have saved us. The fact that he just friggin' nuked me sucks. But I think we have so much buffing that we're fine. Oh yeah, we're fine. We have turned the tides. How the turns have tabled. I mean, a double-double is normally like an insta-pick for me, but because we have Trogdor, the Burninator, the best card in the friggin' game, we just do this. And we have 3 secret rares. Are you shitting me? We get the doubling cube. Your golden characters have double attack. That's on the Kraken. Appreciate you. All slots, plus 32, plus 32. And we're going to get a first place bonus if we win, which means more stars. We love stars. And then I got the Trifork. Give your characters treasure hoard 3. And we have an ass ton of treasures. Oh yeah, we just friggin' went to the moon. Can we get another one? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We need another one. Fuck. Oh, we were so close. All right. Honestly, I like Captain Hook, so I'm gonna swap him out. I've already got the treasure off this guy. He's a little bit less, but if Captain Hook can get a hunt, you basically get a free dude. Oh, look at this. We're way scaled. I'm telling you, man, Trogdor is the best card in the game. You can't convince me otherwise. Maybe you can. Maybe you can. But I'm just digging this. Look at this. Now I got brass balls. I got a gingerbread oven. I got the Mercy Sword of Maximus. My goodness. I'll take a bonus shot. I'll take more treasures. Oh my lord. Rainbow Road. Thank you. Oh, Boots of Magic. Oh my goodness. The Shield of Athena. Appreciate you. Holy hell, man. Is anything here better than what I have? I don't think so. I mean, the Blind Mice is arguably better, but I don't really care. Give all your characters plus 11, plus 9. Thank you. Mikey, I hate to say it, you are fucked. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. It feels so good when a plan goes right. Doesn't it? That is freaking Elec-Drake. I love this character. More so, this card. Trogdor the Burninator. That's the best card I've ever seen. GG's. Once Upon a Galaxy. We'll see you next time.